First of all, I just want to say thank you for letting me do this again. I am not too sure why this wasn't running on your computer. I did have some files error, which I was able to fix, but it wasn't too major. So yeah, I'm not too sure why you weren't able to run it on your computer. But as you can see, this is the same file that I submitted to you, and here I have the node modules and my public folder. In my public folder, I have images. I have all the CSS that I'm using for my EJS files, and then I have my HTML files as well. And then I have the route. This is the route JS. This is for all the EJS files that I'll be using in. And then if I go to my views folder, you can see in my views folder I have all the EJS files here. And this is my app.js file. So for this assignment, a lot of components are basically connected together to create a functional website. So first of all, I'm using express.js and node.js for my web application. And I'm using the express.js framework and node.js runtime environment. So here, as you can see, I have my EJS files here. Yeah, I have my EJS files right here. And I have organized everything into folders. I have the public folder here, which I spoken about earlier. In my public folder, I have the images, I have the CSS, and I have the HTML files, and then I have the routes folder. In my routes folder, I have the routes.js, and here I have each route for all the EGS files. So all my EGS files are here in my views. As you can see, it's about contact, index, project, and services. And also, I also left my HTML files here in my public folder as well, just in case. I'm not too sure if you wanted it here or not, but I kept them anyways. And then, yeah, I have my CSS here. These are all my CSS, which connects to my EJS files here. And the reason I have this here is so it's basically in the routes. I have defined express routes to handle different URLs and HTTP requests. So here, as you can see, I have index, and then here I have about router.get about, and so it's the same thing, but the name changes. So the project, services, contact, all of that, and then just gonna close this. I have my partials folder here as well with the footer, my name, student ID. I have the header and nav bar, and then I have the package JSON file right here as well. So I will go ahead and run this for you just so you can see that everything's working fine. Um, I did work really hard on this assignment, so it was my mistake. I did submit two different folders to you. So, but yeah, let me go ahead and submit this now. Sorry, I'll run it right now. So here, as you can see, I'm running it on my port 4000. So if I go to my app.js, you can see I'm running it here on 4000. So if I go to my website here, see here, like you see, I'm running it on localhost 4000. And if I go to my home file, home home page, you can see it here, my home. This is about me. This is the projects right here. I have created a bug smash game, snake game, and a radio player. And then I have the services here, the services that the website provides or I provide, all of this. And then I have a contact form right here as well. So yeah, as you can see, my entire assignment's running with no issue. Like I said, maybe there was a small file issue before when I submitted it, so maybe that's why you couldn't run it. But here, as you can see, I am running the node app.js command here, and it's running on port 4000. I have the public folder here again, images, all my CSS files, all my HTML files as well. I have the route folder, route.js. This is for all the routes that I'm giving to my EJS files, which is located in here, which is located here in views, as you can see, about, contact, index, project, services, and these are all connected to the route. So for the EGS to run, I need all these routes, otherwise nothing will run. And my I have my app.js file. And yeah, that's about it.